In this video, we'll be creating outer cage of the pipe wrench. The outer cage plays a crucial role in holding and guiding the movable jaw, ensuring smooth adjustment and secure grip on pipes. It provides structural support and helps maintain the overall stability of the wrench during operation. The drawing files have been attached for reference. You can also download the file. Now let's start designing. Invoke new design file. Set your dimensions to mm. Invoke create sketch. Select top plane. From create, arc, center point arc. From origin, take radius 12 and draw an arc. OK. Now take line tool. From the end of the arc, draw a vertical line. Then take 3-point arc. From end of the line till here, draw an arc. Then take line tool. From the end of this arc of distance 166, draw a straight line. Then from end of this arc, draw another line. And create, take 3-point arc, connecting this point till here, draw an arc. Then from this point to end of the line, here another arc. Take vertical constraint, this point and this point, OK. Then make the arc horizontal. OK, now we can give dimension. This distance is 116. This radius 40. And this radius, it is 60. Now this length we will give 40. OK. Let's bring this outside. From this line to this line, width we will give as 130. OK. Now the arc radius is 250. OK. Now we have to give tangent constraint. Take tangent constraint, arc and the line. Yes, now the sketch is fully constrained. From solid, invoke extrude feature. Profile is already selected. Direction is symmetric. Measurement hole length. Distance 34. OK. Isometric view. Now select this face as sketching plane. From create, rectangle, take center rectangle and vertically from origin here draw a rectangle and another rectangle. OK. Dimension, length 72. For this rectangle, length is 66. Width 22.5. Here width is 20. Okay. You can bring here. We'll give horizontal constraint. Okay. Now we have to give the distance from here. This line and this distance is 6. Likewise to this rectangle. Select these lines. Distance 6. Okay. Now we can give fillet. Invoke fillet to this corner, to this corner, and this, and here. Also for this rectangle. Okay. Yes. We'll give radius 2. Okay. Now we can cut this. From solid, invoke extrude feature. Select both rectangular profiles and extrude cut to all. Extend type is all. Okay. Yes. Next we have to take offset plane. Invoke offset plane, select this face, and from here give an offset of distance minus 85. Okay. Now select the offset plane as sketching plane. Take circle tool and horizontally from origin we'll draw a circle. Diameter 75. Okay. Horizontal constraint, origin and the center of circle. Now dimension. Now distance from here to this. Distance is 33. Okay. Now we will take extrude feature. Profile is already selected. Direction symmetric. Measurement wall length. Distance 54. Okay. Yes. Next we'll select this face as sketching plane. Invoke circle tool. And from this origin draw a circle of diameter 12. Extrude feature. Select the profile and extrude cut. All. Okay. Yes, finally we have completed creating the outer cage. Now we'll give appearance. In render workspace, take appearance. In metal, take iron cast. You can drag and drop. In paint, select paint and we will give red paint. You can give paint of your choice. Here I am giving red. Now let's render it. In canvas render, component started rendering. Okay. Yes. If you want, you can capture the image from here. I'm not capturing, I'm just showing you. Now let's go to design workspace. Okay, now we have designed the outer cage, ensuring precise dimension for proper fit and smooth operation of movable jaw. This component is essential for the wrench's durability and functionality. Stay tuned for the next part where we will continue assembling more components.